welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to get these voluminous curls. Let's get started. So I like to get started by using a heat protectant spray all over my hair. This helps me to just make sure my hair is protected before I use any heat tools. Now I want to make sure that it's all spread out in my hair, so I blow dry it to dry it out and get it all mixed in. As you can see, my hair has its own natural texture, so before I go in with any heat tools, I like to just smooth it out to have a good canvas to work with. Now once I'm done curling, I like to add the hairspray and let the curls sit with it so that way they set. This helps them to last longer. If you want them to last even longer, I would recommend adding hairspray before you curl your hair and after as well. Break up the curls, and I like to add a shine spray to make it really easy to work with them and make it shiny and smooth. And then I just use a comb or a brush to go through it and just break up the curls to make them more waves and softer. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and make sure to click that notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. There will be a new video every Sunday at 10 a.m.